If you are using an iPhone and your iPhone is running slow or your iPhone storage is full, no worries. In today's video, I'm going to show you an app that can fix this easily and optimize your iPhone like never before. The app that I'm going to show you today is iCareFone. This app offers so many great features such as photo management, which allows you to quickly organize photos in your device as well as compress oversized photos and videos to free up space on your device. The app also allows you to transfer files between devices with ease. It supports batch transfer of photos, videos, files, and 10 other tabs between iOS, Android, and computers, fully cross-platform over LAN. The app also has intelligence cleaning mode, which can optimize your iPhone with intelligence, fast, and efficiency. It can optimize your iPhone with just one click. This makes organize and clean up your iPhone like photos, videos more effortlessly and fast without any hassle. Now I will show you how to download and install and how to use iCareFone. So let's download the app. So go ahead and open the App Store. After that, go to the search here and search for iCareFone. And as you see, this is the app. iCareFone is an incredibly practical data transfer and backup tool that simplifies how you manage your Apple devices. With just a few clicks, you can transfer, organize, and clean up your iPhone like photos, videos more effortlessly and fast without iCloud and iTunes. It gives you many features like privacy space, smart cleaning, quickly organize photos and videos, photo and video management. The app also makes it super easy to transfer data from your iPhone to other devices like Windows, Mac OS, and Android. Also, you can use the intelligence cleaning mode to clean and optimize your iPhone with one click. Also, you can manage and remove oversized photos, similar photos, screenshots, blurred photos, and more. So if you are struggling with full iPhone storage and data management, try iCareFone, the smart iOS file manager and mobile cleaner to make your iPhone optimized super easy. Okay, go ahead and download the app. The app is free to download. I've already downloaded it. After installing the app, go ahead and open it. And as you can see, this is the app and this is the main interface. I will quickly explain how to use the app. So first, here we have many options to deal with. The first one here is oversized photos. This allows you to identify unusually large image files that take up significant storage space and remove them. With screenshots option, it can automatically detect and organizes screen captures separately from regular photos. With blurred photos option, you can identify blurry or out of focus images that might be candidates for deletion. With similar photos, you can find duplicate or near identical images taken in quick succession, helping you select the best and delete the rest. With photo compression, you can reduce file size while maintaining acceptable visual quality, freeing up storage space. And with remove GPS option, it can stripe location metadata geotags from images for privacy protection before sharing. iCareFone also allows you to organize and manage videos. So with the video compression option, you can shrink video file sizes by lowering quality and resolution, saving major storage space. It's useful for easier sharing and backup. With large video option, you can flag large video files that consume excessive storage, often suggesting compression or clean up opportunities. At the top, if you click on this option here, you can quickly remove unwanted photos. This makes it super easy to remove the photos you don't need anymore. To remove a photo, just swipe it up like this, and that's it. Just select the photos you don't want anymore, then go to recycle bin option, and then delete the photos. It's simple just like that. iCareFone also allows you to transfer data between other devices. With just a few clicks, you can transfer photos, videos, files, and other tabs between iOS, Android, and computers. And finally, with the intelligence cleaning mode, this can clean and optimize your iPhone with one click. You can manage and remove oversized photos, similar photos, screenshots, blurred photos, and more with the intelligence mode. The app also has another features like privacy space. With privacy space option, you can have a protected and encrypted area or folder on your device to store sensitive files separately from regular storage, keeping them hidden or locked behind authentication. It's a really good good to hide your sensitive files and lock it with Face ID or passcode. With file management option, this offers tools to organize, sort, delete, move, rename, and clean up files and folders on your device, helping you keep your storage tidy and accessible. This feature is great to transfer data between your iPhone and computers via USB cable. The feature allows you to access the app data from computers via USB cable. And finally, with performance test option, this is an internet speed test and optimizer. So this allows you to measure your download and upload speeds and ping. After the test completed, you can click on optimize option here to optimize your internet speed. This will attempt to improve your connection. Final thoughts about iCareFone. So this app makes it super easy to organize and optimize your iPhone. The app also makes it super easy to clean and remove unwanted photos and videos and manage oversized photos and videos. The best thing about this app is that it allows you to transfer data, so this makes it easy to transfer data between your devices. Also, with the intelligence mode, this makes it super easy to clean and optimize your device automatically. So with all these features, I would recommend you to download it and give it a try. The download link is in the description below this video. And as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.